Hi, photographers. Have you ever felt stuck trying to get to the next level with your photography? Maybe it's about mastering your camera settings, getting out of auto mode and learning how to get to grips with manual, creating better compositions, or just nailing those long exposure shots. Whatever it is, I'm here to help solve your biggest photography challenge. What's more, it's for free and it'll be personal, one-to-one. I've been helping photographers, especially those of a more mature age, perhaps over 50, really get to grips with their photography. I've been helping them unlock their potential and help them to create stunning images. Photography isn't just about the camera or the gear you've got, it's about capturing the world in the way you see it. It's about telling stories that you want to share. And sometimes you just need that bit of guidance to help you turn that frustration into progress and creativity. And that's why I decided this week's video would be a bit different. I'm offering you a free one-to-one consultation call. During that call, we'll tackle that photography challenge that you've been battling with head on. Whether it's understanding your settings, understanding your camera, improving your composition, or just finding inspiration for your next project. We'll work through it together and help find you a solution. In exchange, maybe you'll give me some feedback on what kind of content you'd like to see on this channel and how I can help other photographers. Now, just to set your expectations, I've got a very strong photography background in property photography. I really understand doing landscape photography as well, and things like product photography. I've got some very good basic understanding of how to do portraits, but I'm not a portrait expert. So if you want advanced posing techniques or something, then this isn't the place for you. But with most other topics, I'm sure I can point you in the right direction and give you a few tips to help you overcome your challenges. So if you're interested in this, it's very easy. Just send me an email. I'm putting a link down here below. I'll leave a link in the description as well. It's richard@nifty50photographers.com. Just outline very briefly what your challenge is. I'll pick my top 20 to have a personal chat with them and go through their goals and challenges. And we'll find solutions that work for you. As I'm sure this is going to be popular, don't waste any time getting in touch with me because I've got to limit this to a sensible number of people. So whether you're starting out or just want to refine your skills, this is your chance to get a personalized mentoring session and to help you take photographs that you're going to be proud to share. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to hear from you. Let's work together to turn your photography challenge into your great achievement. I'll see you soon.